Hey guys, Jesse here, the AI Gorilla. Want to go over a few quick apps we made, some free stuff for y'all to have, some nice tools to use in your music journey, and then also in any of your niche research journey. But first, major credibility check. Got that another payout on the way. Processed $11,362. Why are you listening to me? Well, because I've utilized AI music in my processes to make over $68,000 in the past couple of months, with over $20,000 a month for 3 consecutive months now. And I don't do public math, but it's pretty close. And I'm also running a school community that is generating over $4,000 a month of recurring revenue, where I am actively responding to messages and my all of our community members in here, because it's not mine, it's ours to build it. And we are generating, I'll show you the revenue here. If you want to know anything about this, go ahead and ask me, and we'll check out the settings here. We're at $4,300 a month in MRR, that's monthly recurring revenue right now with 87% retention. That's because we're helping people in here, and the entire community is helping each other in here, okay? And we have some tremendously valuable tools in there. That's enough bragging on that. If you want to know how to make the AI music, if you want to know how to make this money, go in there and check out the school. It has the classroom. Right here we have all our tools lined out. I got a video. I just re-updated this video showing you how to install the tools, right? And go back one. You'll see we got this is a private video only available on school community. That's a keyword niche introduction video. We have our YouTube artist set up. I put this on YouTube. We have create and claim an official artist channel. This is Russian Raps. We have create and claim an official YouTube and artist channel. Basically the same process the entire time, with no ads, but it's the whole artist. This is Russian Raps. This is Northern Temple. And then we have how to make an AI YouTube video. And these are all without ads, all, edited for the school community. And then I have a reused content appeal video here for my AI music video that we got or was it my main artist that I got put into the YouTube partner program. They denied it and called it a reused content at first. And this is the video I used to get it accepted. Now, they're not paying a lot, but that's all I got in. And, of course, we got prompts and documents. That's what's available in the school community. I keep getting asked about it. I keep forgetting to show you guys. So back to what I wanted to show you, the big stuff for today. The free stuff, the free gravy. You don't even have to subscribe to the YouTube channel or to the newsletter to get these. They're available right in the nav bar, the global navigation bar, the header up at the top, right? And all you have to do is go in there and click on these. These are the tools that we recently built, and now they are available on the Chrome store. So first one I want to go over, Super Prompter. This one's got me very excited. If English, who's this for, right? This is one prompt to rule them all. Who is this for? This is for people that maybe English isn't their first language. Maybe they can't read and write too well, right? There's a lot of people I know that can't read and write too well, and it's not necessarily their fault that they can't. And we're going to bridge the gap between AI and what they can achieve. You watch my results. I made this in one of my videos, and then but now it is available on. You can go and download it without going to the Chrome store at the bottom, downloadable zip, or you can go get it from the Chrome store right here. And where's the Chrome button? Add to Chrome, and you can go download it from the Chrome store. So if you want to know how I built this and got it on Chrome, go watch my YouTube videos. I did it in my last 2 videos on how to get extremely rich with AI. I don't know how to code, but now we have working tools on the Chrome browser ready to set up. Free for life. All you need to do is put in your API key, right? Go down to the bottom, and this will take you where to get your API key. This is going to take you to Google AI Dev. It's going to be right in the community. Whatever gets you right to the dashboard, go right to building it out, and then your API key will be right here. You'll create an API key, name it whatever you want. Make sure you set up billing, but the free tier also works. Once you go over your tier, though, you're going to need to pay. So set up billing. It'll say set up billing. Copy that. Go right over to here, and then go to settings and paste your key. Super simple. Pasty wasty, save. It's saved, then test it, make sure it works. It'll tell you if something's wrong. Pro tip, if something's wrong, ask AI. It's going to tell you what to do to fix it. Then you'll be able to generate unlimited prompts. Oh, I want to save none of that stuff. You'll be able to start creating prompts free forever. Whatever app you want to use, whether it's Suno, Udio, ChatGPT, yep, some people still use it. Claude, Perplexity Computer, Midjourney, Dolly, Flux, Kling, HeyGen, right? I can put more platforms on here. You want other stuff on here, let me know. I can update it, right? But for now, the Chrome extension, and then we also have more preset prompts right here, right? For music production, you have all these preset prompts, right? You don't even need an API key to get these. Just to let you know, you can get these simple prompts for free just by going to the website. And then you got image creation prompts. They're preset with also sizes, so you get the size in there, right? Video production, and y'all watch me live build another website, a web page, a PHP website, which is a custom website, with one prompt from this, right? But whatever you want to use, just go in here and text it. We'll go ahead and we'll check out one of these image. See, the image prompts, when you click on the card, they have the different sizes in there so you don't forget. Oh, yeah. I don't know how often I'll tell ChatGPT or something to create an image and I'll forget to tell it the size that I need. I'm like, oh, I got to resize it. Now, this will help you remember that and put it in your prompt. So if I want, we'll just go, and these are kind of, so there's already meta prompting in the background that you don't see going on, but this knows that you're doing images. So you can type whatever you need to do. Dragon's Breath lighting the castle on fire. We want to do a landscape picture 16 by 9, which is YouTube thumbnail size, plus or minus. And boom. We're going to see what kind of prompt it gives us because it's hooked to our API key. It's going to make a call to Gemini. Gemini is going to send that back, and it should be ready in just about now. There it is. And here's our prompt. Now we got this explicit prompt for us to create an 8K photorealistic CGI rendered 16 by 9. Now we can copy that prompt, and I'm going to go over to say, well, I don't have Flux, but we're going to look at it on ChatGPT. We'll look at ChatGPT real quick. And of course, you know what? We're going to go to Gemini because ChatGPT is going to take forever. And we're making a video, guys. And we don't want you waiting too long for what you need. We're going to go to regular Gemini. And I'm going to choose a picture, right? I don't have Flux. I don't use it. But, boom. And now we're going to see what we get out of that. Got the fast version. I didn't want to make y'all wait. I want you to get what you're here to get, right? Free tools with free business. So if you want to use this, also, you can download it. Now we're going to download this from the Chrome store while that's generating and show you. Here we go down to the Chrome extent. Get on the Chrome store here. Add to Chrome. Now we're going to go ahead and add this to this computer because we're at my gym. I don't have this added to this computer. All right. So let's go ahead and get add extension. I got my computer zoomed in if you're wondering. I'm used to using it. Now, whenever we use this, I'm going to log in with our email, get our access. Now, we can use this overlaying whatever we want. So if we're on Gemini, we can pop this up. Boom, there's Super Prompter. And now we can generate whatever prompt we want without leaving whatever tool we're using. I'm on ChatGPT, but if you wanted to make a picture, you'd click on DALL-E, by the way, because it's going to use DALL-E in the background. But have it generate whatever size image you want. If you don't see the size you want, you can just type it in. I think this tool is super cool. I wish this was around when I was first started so I understood, because what it's also going to do is it's going to teach you the kind of depth, the kind of language that you need to put into a prompt. Because via meta prompting, if you're paying attention, you're going to learn how to prompt these LLMs, okay? So super cool tool. Use it. Have fun. This is free, but you do have to put your Gemini API key in there, okay? Look, here's the dragon it made for us from that nice prompt. So we pop that up for you guys. Pretty cool dragon. I said, hey, I want this kind of dragon burning the castle, and here we go. Beautiful picture. It's a very good job. I'm proud of that. Next app. All right, well, next one we're going to go look at is musical SEO. This one is just an upgraded version of Niche Intel. Y'all have seen Niche Intel? Actually, we'll look at Niche Intel first. Y'all seen this one? It's now on Chrome for free. There's no web extension version of this one. This is a Chrome extension only. So the website's just a placeholder for the extension. So make sure you get this extension. Add extension. It's going to instantly add it to you via your Chrome. Boom, there it is. Now when you pop this up, there's your niche research. Whatever you want to do, remember, this is available for you. And this is why you got to make sure you don't get left behind in the AI era right now, because creating stuff is too easy, right? This is your free tool. You don't have to put in anything. You can make it full size. It'll overlay whatever page you're on, and it'll give you your keyword research, but it gives you your suggested keywords for Google suggest, your suggested keywords for YouTube suggest, DuckDuckGo, and it gives you a relative score based on how much content is on the overall 9 areas that we're searching. Let's check out the next app. mostly are already familiar with that, and you also have the version at the newsletter that will come in the welcome email that you can download, and it's free. That's that app, same app. The next one we're going to look at is the one I've been working on, musical SEO. All right, and it signed me right in, and I'm on the free account, so I'm going to show you what you have access to. I got 4 searches left. You're going to get 5 free keyword searches a day, and you'll have to click on Pro to use it. And if you want to use AI strategy, you have to put in your own. You'll have to pay. You can't use it. I don't have a spot for you to put in your keyword, your API key yet. I'm trying to keep this dashboard closed up, but I'll probably add a spot for you to add your own API key so this can stay free for everyone. I just haven't got that far yet. But right now, you can go log in at musicalseo.com, click your login. I'm logged in with another burner, not a burner email, just another email I had. And you can generate your keywords. So we'll go here, same thing, dark blues music. And it's going to pull up. We'll show you the free first, the free one. This is without utilizing anything. This is not going to cost you any money. You can log in and create this for free, right? It's going to pull your Google suggested keywords, your YouTube suggested keywords right up top. And then right below it, you're going to have your Spotify results. So this is just a modified version, a web app version of niche research, right? And then it pulls up your top 20 results for iTunes and those good spots, right? But now if you want to do the pro version, you want to pull keywords, we got an API key in there. Now you're going to click search, and it's going to pull your search volume across per keyword and pull your monthly search data straight from Google, all right? And now we got our related keywords, boom, 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 all related to that, and it's going to pull the same information. Also, what's very cool, right, and you can get YouTube keywords here. Let's try this. I haven't even tested this yet, just live today. See if we get anything good here, because I added this today. All right, mining YouTube keyword. We'll see what we get. Mined 50 keywords. All right, according to this is what we got. It's YouTube auto. Okay, yeah, because this is just pulling from YouTube autocomplete keywords everywhere. Same thing we already got. It's going to be different from Google keywords. We'll pull that. It's going to fetch our keyword data. Dark blues, 246,000 search volume. And then also our YouTube suggest keywords and then related keywords all right here. And remember, this is free. All right, I only got 1 search left, but I don't think it's not going to let me do the AI strategy. It won't do it because I don't have an API key. So what we're going to do is we're going to log out and log in. I'm going to log in with my pro account, which I paid myself $20 to do just because I wanted to make sure the billing's working. So if y'all do want to do that, you have to pay money. Now we're going to analyze and boom, you see, it did this little. That's actually pretty fast. I'm excited. So now it'll cache this for about 2 hours, and you can download this as a zip file. It's going to give you an overview, audience size roughly, and some alternate keywords. Tell you about your growth trend, right? Stable with potential for slow organic growth, particularly through sync licensing and genre fusion. Saturation, it's medium. While established artists exist, there's always room for new voices offering authentic, compelling, and uniquely dark interpretations of the blues. Opportunity 7 out of 10 represents a viable niche with dedicated loyal audience. Tells you about Hell Held on My Trail by Robert Johnson, one of the most famous blues songs ever. First one, 3 lines with an A-B structure, right? So it breaks down the music for you. It's breaking down your key themes that go in a lot of the songs. And some of the emotional hooks. They have fear and paranoia, profound sadness and melancholia, a sense of impending doom, empathy for the suffering protagonist, wandering and rootlessness and restlessness, right? Struggling against unseen forces. So when you're writing your music, this will help break down whatever genre you're in. So you can start to understand what you're targeting, okay? This is in depth for you. And then you can download this whole thing, right? It has your song structure. It tells you your BPM. You can use this. These are common keys used inside of it in the major blues scales, right? So that way, if you're not familiar with music at all, this can help get you up to speed while you're creating your artist or your persona, right? All this information you can download with in multiple formats. Super cool. Profit potential, monthly potential low, potential high, plus or minus. It's pulling this from YouTube on what people are making, right? So people are making $6,000 a month, supposedly. And then now you can also at the top of this, right? It's because it's pulling more information for you to read. At the top, we can go back, and this is going to be instant because I got it set up that way. When I click 30-day release, it's going to scale. and it's going to tell you how to release your music on TikTok and YouTube based on the most recent available data. And you can download all this, right? So pre-release, launch, and pre-save campaign 4 to 6 week out, offering exclusive content. And this isn't my advice. This is advice from the internet, right? So understand that this isn't the advice I'm giving to the school, but you can download all this CSV, JSON, TXT file, or PDF, right? We'll download a PDF. It's going to download that. Well, it pops it open. We're just going to save it. We'll right click and save it. But here you are, pops up in the whole PDF, and you can have your release plan based on the most recent advice from AI and the internet, right? Tells you how long to make your videos, what to put in them, what times to publish, right? And it just lays it out for you. But what it really is just a template that you can use to edit to meet your needs, right? The niche overview, I think, is the most powerful thing here. And it's cached, so it's not going to keep searching it again and keep burning out the API key, because then it would just be unaffordable, right? But have fun with this. Check it out. And go see how it all works. It's a free tool for now. I'm working on it, but I think this tool is really going to be helpful. It's already helping me. I'm using it to search for my keyword research. It's the tool I wish I had when I was searching dark blues music, and that way I can go and pull everything up and start checking out my competition. I can go see anybody I want to check out. All these links should be live, so that way I can go look at people and I can get a feel for what kind of music I'm making. That's super proper music SEO and niche intel. Yeah, those are the tools that I've been working on. I've been kind of working on these alongside publishing music every day. Yeah, if you all guys are enjoying this content, if you're following this journey, if you feel like you're getting left behind in the AI era, it's because you are. So you need to get out there and get to work. And if you have skills, if you're making these things, you have to not be scared to ask for money. But I'm not saying charge people money for all your services. There's nothing wrong with doing it for free, earning favors, and getting good, good karma built up, getting that reciprocity built up, because that's really the way things go. That's what I'm doing here with these free tools for everyone to use. Super proper, super cool. All right. And here, this is what I mean. So I just had an ad, and I said, here, make sure to add. I added the API keys for y'all, so you can add your own keys, so you'll still be able to do the niche research for free. And I'm using Perplexity computer, just like my other videos. And I said, make sure that all the API keys have a direct link to the API keys, right? So it should give it a link to Gemini API, Chat GPT API, right? So, and just like that, we updated it real quick. And I'm going to go over here too. Should be able to go to your account. And now you'll have a spot to add all your API keys, Open API, Claude, Gemini, and then you can use the AI strategy on your own. It'll give you a niche overview of your entire niche, so you can help better gauge whether you want to enter that niche before you even start, right? I think research is important. But yeah, get over, check out the tool. Have a good day, everybody. Hopefully I can get this volume turned up. I am in my office up here. It's like a freaking tuna box, even though I got gear and everything laying around me, okay? Have a great day, everybody. Stop consuming and start creating.